Guys, how are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy. Today I bring a new video about state and their capitals. There are 28 states. We have to discuss their capitals in this video. Andhra Pradesh Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh Itanagar, Assam Dispur, Bihar Patna, Chhattisgarh Raipur, Goa Panaji, Gujarat Gandhinagar, Haryana Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh Simla, Jharkhand Ranchi, Karnataka Bengaluru, Kerala Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh Bhopal, Maharashtra Mumbai, Manipur Imphal, Meghalaya Shillong, मिजोरम आइजवाल, नागालैंड कोहिमा, ओडिशा भुवनेश्वर, पंजाब चंडीगढ़, राजस्थान जयपुर, सिक्किम गैंगटक, तमिलनाडु चेन्नई, तेलंगाना हैदराबाद, त्रिपुरा अगरतला, उत्तर प्रदेश लखनऊ, उत्तराखंड देहरादून, वेस्ट बंगाल कोलकाता. These states are arranged in alphabetical order. I hope it is helpful for your study. Thank you for watching.